In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload videos, PDFs, and resources to your course in just a few easy steps. If you've been struggling with the technical side of things, you're in the right place. This guide will give you a simple and efficient solution to get your materials online and ready for your students. First, let's talk about uploading videos. You'll want to start by logging into the software you're using for your course platform. Once you're in, head over to the Content or Course Material section, where you'll usually find an option to add new content. Click on Add Video or something similar. From here, you can upload a file from your computer or simply paste the link to your video if it's hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. The software will process the video and you're good to go. Now, moving on to PDFs and documents. This is just as simple. Look for an Add Resource or Upload Document button in your course's content section. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select the file you want to upload from your computer. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, or a PowerPoint presentation, it'll work the same way. Select the file and hit Upload. Once it's finished, your students will be able to access it directly from the course page. If you're looking to add more resources like worksheets or additional materials, it's basically the same process. Many platforms will let you add multiple types of resources within one lesson or module. For instance, you can upload a video and then attach a PDF file as a downloadable resource for your students to use while they watch. This makes it easy to keep everything organized and accessible. You might also want to check if the software you're using allows you to organize your content by sections or modules. This is a great way to keep things tidy, especially if you're running a more extensive course with lots of different materials. If you can, group related videos, PDFs, and other resources together in their own section to make it easier for your students to navigate. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly mention that I've tested out the most popular course building software for this process, and the one I'll be showing you today is my top recommendation. I've even secured an exclusive free trial just for you, viewers of this channel. You can find the link in the description below if you want to follow along or try it out yourself. Key takeaway: uploading videos, PDFs, and resources to your course is a breeze once you know where to look in your platform. Just follow these simple steps. Upload videos through the content section, add PDFs and other documents by selecting Add Resource, and organize your materials for easy student access. To recap, in this video we covered how to upload videos, PDFs, and other resources, and how to keep everything organized within your course. If you haven't already, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below, and get started on building your course today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.